So hi guys, welcome to another day of 40-year-old vlogger. And today, you know what, I recently saw Yassi and Ella Cruz do the Bboom Bboom challenge while they were here in Cebu. So, to give you an idea, even if it's late, why not? I'm gonna try out to do a Bboom Bboom challenge. So check this video out. So thank you so much for watching my Bboom Bboom challenge. What do you think, guys? Pasar na ba? Pasado ba? And if you have any suggestions for other challenges for me in the future, please do tell me, because yes, I'm gonna do it if kaya. And thank you so much for watching this vlog episode, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, and let's boom boom all the way. Thank you so much for watching.